Hey everybody, welcome back. Oh, my voice. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me on this peachy, orangey type of look. I love this look. I'm trying to do more color fill tutorials for you guys. I know I don't do a lot of color often. I am trying to step outside the box. So that's what I'll be doing today. This like peachy look, because we're in spring and I was so inspired to do this look. I want you guys to pick your favorite makeup artist or celebrity and pick a look that they've done that you guys would like me to try and recreate. I feel like that would be fun. So go ahead and leave me a comment, or if you can, send me the picture on Instagram or tag me on Instagram and Snapchat. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here, and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Excuse my voice. My allergies today have not been very nice. So we're gonna start out with the brows. My brows were not done perfectly today. They do need to be waxed, and it's time for a new brow product. So I'm just taking my ABH Brow Pomade. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. And to clean them up, I am taking my Crayon Case Highlighter Concealer. I believe this is the shade 16. I could be wrong. I will leave, of course, everything I use listed down below in the description box in case I forget shade names. I haven't done a voiceover in so long, so excuse me. But we're gonna go ahead and continue on cleaning up the brows. And once they're all cleaned, I am gonna take my Fenty eyeshadow base and then prime my lids. Then I'm taking this shade called Scheming. Let me not even lie, but this is the Milk Cosmetics Baby Girl stack. Can't remember what that shade was called, but it's like a coral pinky shade. But yeah, I'm taking that. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna pack that shade on as my transition. Then I'm taking the next shade, which is called Main Squeeze from this stack. This is like one of my favorite shades in this stack. It's a really bright tangerine, vivid orange. I love this shade, and it blended out really nicely. I'm just gonna blend that into the crease and also blend it into the first shade we used. Then I'm taking that same concealer I used to clean up my brows. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the crease a little bit. This cut crease did not come out perfectly by any means, but I'm still practicing my cut creases. You know, I have my good days, my bad days with them. So this was like a bad cut crease day. Then I'm taking the shade Log from my Natasha Denona Gold palette. I'm just going to blend that into the outer V. And on top of that, I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow just to deepen it up. So I'm going in with the brown, and then you're gonna see me go in with the black. Yeah, now I'm using the black. And then I'm taking this shade, which I can't remember what it's called, from the stack. It's just a shimmery orange shade, and I'm just packing that on the lid over the top where I placed the concealer. And then you don't see me do it, but then I go back in a little bit with Mini Squeeze just to blend out the lines a little bit. And then I'm taking this Marc Jacobs Beauty See-quins. It's like a foiled eyeshadow pot. Now these are best used with your finger. I didn't want it too out there, so I just like brushed it over the top a little bit of the center of my lid. I did not want it very opaque, so it comes out way more opaque than this. I just didn't want that look. And then I'm going in with my Fenty face primer. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. And then for foundation today, I'm just going to be using my Fenty Foundation. I was gonna use both shades, but the pump on one is broken and I cannot get the foundation out for the life of me. So I'm gonna use the lighter shade, which I believe is 450, to apply to my face. And to highlight, of course, I'm just going back in with that Crayon Case Concealer. Now, this concealer is not a favorite of mine's. It's not a favorite. I don't like the applicator. It's like a squeezy tube type thing, but it's really messy. The coverage is okay. I've had better coverage. You do need to build it, and it did crease on me really badly. That's just my opinion. It's not a concealer that I would see myself using a lot. I just have better concealers in my collection. So yeah, this concealer is not a favorite of mine's. Yeah, I don't really like it too much. And then I'm just taking my Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder and the letter Y. And I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eye. The setting powder is actually okay. It's not one of my favorites, but it's okay. I have to continue to use it, but I guess it's alright. It's a setting powder. I wanted this look to be really dramatic, so I'm going for that dramatic look. And I'm going to quickly apply a wing liner with my usual New York Colors liquid liner. And then I'm going to go ahead and dust off all this bake and set the rest of my face with my Morphe pressed powder, which is currently my go-to pressed powder. I love the way it looks on my skin. It lasts all day. I literally am obsessed with this Morphe pressed powder, and I'm applying it now just to set the rest of my face. And I love it so much. I have it in the shade Filter 14. I love this pressed powder. Like, I will continue to purchase this. And then I'm just going in and just contouring a little bit with my Juvia's Place Crayon blush palette. I think it's volume 1. Just gonna give myself a quick contour. Then I'm going in with my Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that cream blush on my cheeks. I did use this palette already in the first impressions. I will go ahead and link it up top. So yeah, this is not my first time using it. And then I'm taking this shade called Breakup from the Baby Girl stack. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that along my lower lash line. I love the way this looked on my lower lash line. I really did enjoy using this stack. And then I'm taking this shade from the stack. Can't remember what it's called. I will link the stack below. But it's like a pinky gold duochrome. It's so pretty. This shade, however, is better used wet. So in a second, you'll see me go ahead and wet my brush because it just was not popping for me. So I'm gonna, there you go. I wet my brush and look at that pigment. Such a pretty shade. And then I'm taking my ABH loose highlighter in this shade So Hollywood. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my skin. I did a first impression on these and the Riviera palette. I will link that up top right now so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a big old like. And then I'm back with the wig and some lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And this is where I realized I have no clue where my MAC lip liner in Chestnut is. So I'm using this NYX one, but it needed to be sharpened. And I don't have a sharpener, so it was like rubbing up against my lips really harshly. And it was terrible. But I got the job done. And then I'm going to take one of my favorite MAC lipsticks of all time. It's a nude cold hard cash. I love this lipstick so much. And look at that. Beautiful nude. I love it so much. And then that is pretty much the look, everybody. Orangey, a little dramatic spring tutorial. Just over the top, blushed out. I haven't been wearing blush in a while, but here I am. Love it.